Good morning, students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. So, my dear students, we continue the same chapter, Unit 6, Sam and the Secret Form. Okay, now today we will come to know already Sam had expressed his desire to go along with Armando swimming with the dolphins. Now, today we will come to know how he learns to whistle from Armando. Okay, so my dear students, all of you take your literature book, page number 54. All of you take page 54.
A few dolphins leapt through the air, then divided just below the surface while Sam swam alongside. So a few dolphins leapt through the air. Leapt means jumped through the air, then divided just below the surface while Sam swam alongside. Just they jumped up, then when they came down on the surface of the water, along with the dolphins, Sam also started swimming. Sam started swimming along with dolphins. The other dolphins swam close. Also, there were many dolphins. So, some dolphins swam close by Sam as if trying to catch them. It was the most amazing game Sam had ever played. So it was so interesting. For the first time, Sam played with the dolphins. So he was enjoying playing with dolphins. He swam and played with the dolphins for a long time. He enjoyed playing with the dolphins for a long time. And finally, he heard Armando's voice from the boat. When he heard Armando's call, he stopped playing with dolphins. Sam, you must come aboard now. So Armando called him to come inside the boat. And he told him, we must go back. We must go back. Sam climbed aboard as Armando started the engine and turned the boat around. Okay, and they sat in the boat and Armando started the engine and the boat started. We have a good time, yes, asked Armando. Asked Armando, to whom did he ask? Sam. Armando asked Sam that he had a good time with dolphins. The best time of my life, replied Sam. And Sam replied, yes, of course, it was the best time of my life. Please teach me the whistle to call them. Now again, Sam requesting Armando to teach him how to whistle to call dolphins. Okay, I promise I won't tell anyone else. Now Sam is requesting, pleading, please tell me, teach me how to whistle. I promise I will not tell to anyone. Armando thought for a moment. Then he sat on the deck. Sat on the deck means he sat on the floor of the boat. Okay, sat on the deck and showed Sam the exact position the thumbs should be in and the exact pressure Sam should blow through them with his lips. He taught exactly how to use the thumbs, also how much air he can blow. He taught him how to whistle. After half an hour and many failed attempts, so many times Sam attempted to whistle. Many times he failed and finally blew through his thumbs, and out came a perfect whistle, and finally, at last, came a perfect whistle. Brilliant! Now you can do it, said Armando. Now Armando was so happy that he learned, so he said, "You are now able to whistle. You can do it now," he told him. By now the wind was stronger. Now slowly the wind was stronger and stronger. The sea was chopped. The sea was choppy. The sea was choppy. Choppy here, rough. The sea was, because of the strong wind, the sea was rough with many waves because of strong winds. Okay, so the sea was choppy and the little boat was swaying in the water, moving in the water. A large wave crashed on over the side of the boat, throwing Armando on the floor. Because of the strong wind, wave crashed on over the side of the boat, throwing Armando on the floor where he lay without moving. He fell suddenly and he became unconscious. Armando became unconscious. Without moving means he fell unconscious. Sam tried to revive him. He tried to bring him back to consciousness. Okay, Sam tried to bring him back to consciousness, but it did not work. It did not work. Sam looked around nervously. He got frightened. No one around him. He was all alone, so he was afraid. All he could see around him were the blue waters. What he could see around him were only blue waters of the sea. He had never felt so lonely before. So it was first time. Small boy, and nearby no human beings, only the blue waters. So he felt so lonely. He looked at Armando again. Again he started looking Armando again. Where can I get help? Then he started questioning himself. Where can I get help? Wondered Sam. He had an idea. Then he got the idea. He put his thumbs in his mouth in the correct position and blew through the gap between them. The whistle came out long and low, cutting through the noise of the rain and the wind. Again and again he whistled. Since he had learnt how to whistle from Armando, he tried and it came correctly. Then he heard a noise. After some time he heard a noise, and there they were. Who were? Dolphins, 30 or 40 of them, swimming through the waves towards him. He saw dolphins, 30 or 40 of them, swimming through the waves towards him, towards their boat. They surrounded the boat and they finally reached near the boat. They surrounded the boat and began to push it along using their heads. So dolphins began to push the boat along using their heads. Sam was so relieved because of the strong wind and because of the cracked, the engine was not working. Now the dolphins, when they started pushing, the boat started moving. So Sam was so relieved. He felt ease, did not feel frightened, okay, that he wanted to cry. The dolphins pushed the little boat for many hours. So dolphins, they pushed the little boat for many hours until the storm had passed, until the strong wind had passed or stopped and the sky was clear. Sam was so relieved. He did not feel frightened that he wanted to cry. But when he saw dolphins started pushing the boat and the boat started moving, by seeing that, he felt relief. The dolphins pushed the little boat for many hours until the storm had passed and the sky was clear. Okay, up on the desk, Sam had tried to make Armando as comfortable as possible. Because Armando was in unconscious mode, Sam tried his best to make him comfortable. He made him sleep on the floor of the boat. Suddenly, Armando groaned and sat up. Suddenly, he made a low sound. Okay? And he got up, sat up. Wow, my head. What happened? He asked. Because he felt heavy. His head was heavy. So he asked, what happened? He asked. You knocked your head. You knocked means hit. Okay? You striked your head. Where he striked or hit his head. Sam said, you knocked your head when a wave crashed on the boat. Because of the strong wind, wave crashed on the boat, you hit your head on the side of the boat. So I whistled. When you became unconscious, I whistled for the dolphins and they saved us. So he explained how dolphins saved them, said Sam breathlessly, taking the breath fast because of the fear, said how dolphins helped them, saved their life. Okay, my dear students. So, my dear students, you can see here how Armando lying here unconsciously, and Sam, when he whistled, the dolphins came and started pushing the boat. In that way, the dolphins helped them, saved their life. So, my dear students, all of you read the paragraph, so also learn the word meaning. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.